大家好, hello everybody. This is Learn Chinese with Abdul, and you are at the vocabulary development section. Today, our target is HSK level 1 vocabulary, and we have already passed 8 days. If you haven't seen the previous videos, please find in the description and go from day 1. Today is day 9. Let's go quickly what we have studied up till now. Day 1, quickly. 我,我们,你,你们,他,他,他们,这,那. Day 2. 家,爸爸,妈妈,哥哥,弟弟,姐姐,妹妹,男朋友,女朋友. Day 3. 儿子,女儿,漂亮,老公,老婆,老板,老师,认识. Day 4. 先生,小姐,医生,医院,学生,学校,学习,同学,人. Day 5. 大,小,小果,小毛,很好,不太好,有,没有. Day 6. 开,来,去,读,看,听,说,吃饭,睡觉. Day 7. 书,电影,电视,电脑,电话,杯子,桌子,椅子,东西. Day 8. 商店,饭店,书店,水果店,出租车,打电话,名字,钱,衣服. And here we are at day 9. Let's go to the first word of today's vocabulary. 水,水,水. 水 means water. 水果,水果,水果 means fruit. Number 3. 苹果,苹果,苹果. This 果 is from 水果. That was for fruit. So 苹果 is for apple. Number 4. 米饭,米饭,米饭. 米饭 means rice. Number 5. 菜,菜,菜. Well, C is actually the most difficult word for non-Chinese people to pronounce. Try to copy how I say 菜, t, 菜, 菜. 菜 means dish. Number 6. 茶, 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 茶. Cha means tea. Number 7. 喜欢,喜欢,喜欢. 喜欢 means to like. For example, I want to say 我喜欢你们. I like you all. 喜欢. Okay. Number 8. 多,多,多 means more. Number 9. 少,少,少. That means less. 多 means more. 少 means less. And when we say 多少, that means more or less. That means how much. And this is a phrase to ask the price. 多少钱? 多少钱? This is a way to ask about the price. For example, we go to some shop and we pick a product and ask the shopkeeper, 这个多少钱? That means what is the price of this? This is all from today's lecture. Let me give you a quick review of the words which we have studied today. 水, 水果, 苹果, 米饭, 菜, 茶, 喜欢, 多, 少. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you guys tomorrow on the day 10. Please like and share this video with others. 再见.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like my efforts, please share this video with others. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon. See you soon. Goodbye.